What's up my people? Welcome back to another video. So right now guys, I have a wall mount to put up on the wall right here to hold up the TV. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. So guys, remember I told you in the last video that the TV stopped working. Well, it's actually working, but it has some issues. So I was wondering if one of you loyal subscriber can sponsor me one. You understand? But stay tuned. I'm going to show you the wall mount. So this is the wall mount right here. This is the one with the inches so you can move about. I don't like the dead one where the TV just station on the wall flat. You understand? I don't want that one. I don't like that one. I want the TV that I can, shift it to the side or shift it to the side. Wherever you are, you can turn it. That is it, man. You can also tilt it a little bit. Yeah, so this is the wall mount right here. It's actually Radio Shack. I guess that's the brand. So it works with 32 to 55 inches. Smart TV. So you have the weight right here, 35 kg. Yeah. So it says full motion TV wall mount. So I wonder if I can speak a little Espanol. You guys that speak Spanish. What I say? Soporte para TV con what you pronounce this? Movimiento. I can speak a little Spanish. Yeah man. So soporte para TV con movimiento. Spanish. That is it. Easy to install. So this is it. We're going to unbox it right now, guys. Where is the dog? Boy, can make nice. Cut out that. Yeah. Unbox it right now. So you have the manual right here, but we don't need that. Alright, so these two pieces screw on the TV back. So these are actually going to hang on this piece right here that holds up the TV. So we'll put that aside. We don't need that as yet. Yes guys, so this is the piece that is going to bolt up on the wall. So these two pieces, you can see the hook right here guys. Hook right here. We have a few screws. Want to adjust, slide it on the here and keep it steady. Yes. Plane gone. Yes guys, so this is the one that I want. So as you can see, just open, turn the TV anywhere I want it to go. Yeah, man, that is it. So this is a piece of screw on the wall. See it have an arrow. Arrow is pointing down or up. So as you can see the writing right here. So it means like it should turn like this. It should set like this guys. So you can see the writing. It's supposed to go up. So this is how it's supposed to be. So we're gonna plumb it up just like that. You don't want the TV to go too far out here or too far out here because the door is gonna close around there. So you're gonna open around there rather. So I'm gonna roll out the TV right now guys and see how it look right up there. So we have some other fun dongles in the box right here. So guys, these are the spacers to go on the back. And we have the different screws for different size TV. Yeah, so these are the one that goes in the TV. So these are the one that we're gonna use. For the spacer right there. This is the wall plug. We're not going to use these guys. We're going to get rid of these wall plugs. You understand? We're going to use some concrete screw. The same concrete screw that we use to screw up door jambs. That's the one I'm going to use. 3¼ inches. That's the length of them. So, not going to use these. Sometimes I put these in the wall and they draw out. So, yeah. get rid of that. Get rid of those, guys. We're gonna use some concrete screw. So I'm gonna roll out the TV right now and see what it looks up here. So this is Mr. TV right here. Well, look like I'm going some spinach. Straight run out. Guys, this is a 50-inch black point. It has some issue, it needs to fix, but we're not going to fix it, guys. I think we're going to get rid of this. So probably you guys can sponsor me on TV. So, not too bad right here, someone. Set it over the plug. Right, so we'll try to fit it right here, so guys. We need pencil and we need a small lever. So I'm gonna roll out the attache case right now. Mr. Dual. So, yeah man. All of the gun them in here, so guys. We have the impactor and we have the hammer drill right here. So this is what I want. This is the bad boy right here.
Alright?
You alright?
The bad. The bad. Oh, Daddy, I'm bad. Then what's got this? What's that? Wait. I took this stuff.
Shut it down. I think it will. Well, we can adjust it when we slide it still. Let's go. This looks fine right there. Bring it up a little bit. Yeah. So, yeah man, we're gonna put it right up here, so guys.
But here. Try this. Here.
We don't want this, man.
Huh?
Right in the ear, that way.
Here. Give me back. Give me back. Here. Take you fix you. 1, 2.
We have one in the middle right here. Line up up in here. Man, I'm not professional like you know people. Because you know a lot of people going to come on the channel and comment on things. Oh, do it this way, do it that way, and which way is easier. Yeah, do it my way. Alright, so we need the drill bit to drill out these things right now. And then roll out a few concrete screw. Boom. Screw it down on the wall. So this is my drill bit. I don't even remember the size this is because it has been using for a while now. So one more thing guys, I need to cover up this thing right here, you know. A bit of dust going drop on this thing right here, so. Boom. Get this cover up. That is it, man. Build a little small scaffolding right now too. Alright.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
So guys, set up these car 3 screw hole, but I was gonna use 2 because it's kinda close. So I'm gonna use 2 in one.
A young man's game, signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I missed. I know that we're all screwed.
No peeps. Straight concrete wall, you understand? You know Jamaican build them house already. Less sheetrock and more concrete. I know you guys in overseas, you know, that a drywall, but this is concrete.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way?
Right.
The sun is out, but the sky
Road
is
out the back wall
gray.
right now.
What would happen if I
That
took a
impact that.
chance?
Let me get him.
It's always hard.
As you can see, the head is fatter than the other Phillips bit. So it fits nicely in the screw head right here. Look at that. There is no space. If you use the smaller Phillips bit, it's going to spin a lot. It's not going to hold the pressure to screw this in the wall. Screw up that. Not screw up mean in a bad way, no please. We're going to screw up the wall mount on the wall. Right, so we're going to screw up the TV mount on the wall, guys. What's on there, man? See right, that's up. Set it, man. Right.
Arrows and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss now. That we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
That is it, man. Screw. This will seal the deal, you know? These are better than wall plug that they send in there, so that is my own opinion still. Probably you guys think otherwise. Dust inside that, guys. Wanna drill out a lot of dust in there. Get all the excess dust cause the screw not gonna go down in there with the dust. Alright, look at that now. Yeah man guys, so you see how the bit work with the screw? Alright, let's see how the TV look up there now. Which one of you guys gonna sponsor me a TV? But I ring with me doing guys. Alright, so. Alright. That's how you hook it on. Just like that. And so we have the plug right here, so we can plug in the TV. Where is the Phillips screwdriver? So guys, there's two screws underneath the bracket around here, so you just adjust them. Alright, come and work. Adjust these screws that the TV don't slide left or right or come off in any way, shape or form. So you just adjust these screws, screw it up. Boom, 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 boom. So this will keep the TV steady on the wall mount so it doesn't slide left nor right. So you just screw up the screw. Yeah man, so as I can see guys, I see how far the TV comes out. Look at that. And it still can come out more. And if you want it to station, you can just push it right back on the wall. So I love this wall mount instead of the one you just screw up on the wall and the TV cannot move. It's just steady right there. So if we want, we can turn the TV. Look at that. You can look. See guys? Turn gone weird one on the other side one. On one place. Look at that. This is the fault with the TV. So the screen is blank, this fading out. It have other issues. You can see some lines in it also. We update the TV, update come on it and we update it guys. And Google Play service keeps stopping, not coming out the TV. So that is the fault with the TV guys. So and this is the wall mount, so that is stationary right there. If you want it like that, you can pull it out. If you want to pull it out, you can turn it right, you can turn it left. That's why I love this wall mount. Yeah man, lucky that I have it on special right now, you know guys, so go and get your own. That is it. We're not sponsoring Lucky Dollar still, you know, but just telling you guys where we get it. You understand? Other places have it too, you know guys, but we get this on special, so we just buy it. Here, not sponsoring Lucky Dollar, and this is not a paid promotion. Just telling you guys where you can get it for a reasonable price right now. It will end at the end of the month. So it will go back to the original price. Yeah man, so it's a nice wall mount guys. Yeah, man. You turn the TV, you only make a seat, you understand? That is it man. So the TV can come out, you can push it back if you want. That is it. That's why I love this TV wall mount. Wow. Thank you guys for watching this one. See you in the next video.